What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or if you are new here, my name's Nathan and I cover a lot of content on dropshipping, e-commerce, and just how to make money online in general. And so today I have a very special video for you guys because you guys have been showing me crazy support. I've just hit over 1,000 subscribers on this channel. In fact, one of you guys even sent me a little care package. This brand is called Self Care, and you guys sent me a couple t-shirts, so thank you so much for that. So a lot of you guys have been asking, what's my go-to product research strategy? How do I consistently find good products to test and launch and scale? And well, to be honest with you guys, I did give you a lot of my product research strategies in a previous video that I posted. I'll link it here if you want to check it out. But I have been holding back one strategy that I always use and that consistently lands me winning products. The reason why I've been holding this back is because it's such a lethal strategy to finding winning products, and a lot of dropshippers and experienced e-commerce business owners will probably be very mad at me for exposing this secret, but you guys have been showing me so much support. Got 1,000 subscribers like I said before, and I just feel like the time is right for me to tell you this hack. Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys click the link down below. Head over to my private Facebook group. We already have over 800 members in it, which is crazy. And I give away so much free stuff like a free winning product list, free influencer marketing scripts to use for Instagram influencers, and so much more in that group. So head over to there down below and enter for your chance to win up to 5 free consulting calls with me inside of that group. So this method is simpler than you may think. Essentially, we want to go directly to the source. Going directly to the source will allow us to find out what products are trending, what products are hot right now, what products we can sell. And by this, I mean going to China. Well, not literally going to China, of course, but just hitting up a bunch of agents, manufacturers, and suppliers in China and asking them, what are the top products to be selling? What should I sell right now? What's trending this month? Have you had any crazy products that are picking up in orders over the past few weeks? Questions like that. You can just go around on Alibaba, AliExpress, Made in China, a bunch of different websites that have access to all these agents, suppliers, and manufacturers, and you can start messaging all of them. And what you have to do is you have to first bring them over to a WeChat, a Skype, or a WhatsApp. They're much more willing to talk to you there as opposed to directly on the AliExpress platform. And this is because you can just reach them so much quicker and there won't be any delay between your messaging. And so in order to do that, you have to type in WeChat ? WhatsApp ? Skype ? If you type, what is your WeChat? You will not be allowed because AliExpress will pick that up and think that you're trying to bring the agent over to another platform, and they won't like that. They want everything to be done directly through their platform. So that's the first step, is you hit up all these people. You ideally want to look for bigger stores, higher reviews, higher ratings, lots of orders, because chances are you'll be working with somebody in a factory that has more insight and more intel onto what products are selling. Then once they reach out to you on WhatsApp or you get their WeChat or something, then you can start texting. And from there, you want to make it known that you're a big dropshipper, you're a big e-commerce store owner, and you have a lot of potential to be doing hundreds, potentially thousands of orders with them in the near future. And of course, they want to make money just as badly as you want to make money. So they're going to reveal to you what products are trending, what's selling, and then in the assumption that you're going to go and start selling that product and bring them in a lot of money, in turn, of course, you're bringing yourself a lot of money as well. Now, the thing about this method is you don't just want to ask them what's the top selling product. If you ask them what the top selling product is, you're probably just going to get some generic answer like the posture corrector or the moon lamp, or a very common and saturated product that's been on the market for months and that is doing crazy numbers, but it just simply is very common and very saturated. If you want to find more of those untapped, more of those winning products with potential to do very high return on ad spend with and make a lot of profit quickly, then what you have to do is you have to phrase your questions in such a way where you're asking for insight and data on what's selling and what's trending as opposed to what's at the top. So basically what you're looking for is a new product that the manufacturer is dealing with, and in the past few weeks there's been a huge spike in orders. So you have to ask them not what their top selling products are, but what their top trending products are. You have to ask them what's picked up in sales volume over the past couple weeks. They might tell you all of a sudden, oh, I don't know, some sort of gloves are picking up and selling like crazy. And that's probably due to the winter season, and then you can ask them what particular product that is, and you can go from there and you can get more products. Chances are they'll even provide you with a list. So they're basically just giving you a winning product list for free because of course they want to make money and they see you as a vehicle for potentially bringing them a lot of money. But the really important thing here is your communication with the supplier. And you want to make it known that you're going to bring them money. They only care about lining their pockets. They don't really care about you. They don't really care about your customers, unfortunately, unless you can build a relationship with them going forward. But as of right now, they want to make money off of you. And so you have to make it clear that you're going to provide value. You own a big store. You're running a lot of ads. You will bring them money. You just need the hot product list from them. And so I hope you guys can already see, just from me talking about it a little bit, how powerful it is to go directly to the source as opposed to, looking at what's trending on Google Trends or looking at ads that are already popping off and working well. If you go directly to what's working in China, you're going to be way ahead of everybody else. You're going to build that competitive advantage over other drop shippers faster. You're going to get to customer data faster and then make it harder for other people to get in. And this is why this method has been a killer method for me. And I've basically found 90% of the products that have worked for me using this method, especially the ones that have been very, very profitable. So I'm always going to share with you guys the best tips right here on my channel. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.